Thank you for your interest in Metro Storage, London's best all-inclusive self-storage. We understand it can be hard to know which is the right size storage room for your things. That's why we have our excellent size guide on our website. Simply click on the size guide tab in the top menu bar. There you can find some videos and images with descriptions of many of the most popular storage rooms we have and what you can fit in them. The videos are approximately 30 seconds in length and show a storage room being packed up with boxes and household goods so you can see what can fit in each room size. The images are 3D pictures of a storage room with generic items being shown with a written explanation. Nobody likes to have a storage room that is too small so you can't fit your things in it, or too big so you're paying for space you're not using. By spending a few minutes on our size guide page, you will hopefully be able to make the right choice for you and your things. Still unsure? We'd love to help, so just give us a call on 0800 999 5881 or book a viewing to visit one of the stores and see the units for yourself. With stores in Victoria, Pimlico, Bayswater and Islington, we hope we can help you with your storage needs.